Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make a logo just by using text. So let's get started. For that, you need to open up your Adobe Illustrator and click on File, create a new file, and click on Create. Once you have your artboard, you need to select your type tool and create a text. The name of the logo I've been working on is Interstellar. I'll put it right here and again select the type tool. I will use the initials of these words. For that is I and S. Just select the text, increase its size, and for that I'll be using this font. And now you can see if I select this logo, now as you can see if I select this text, I can move it around the artboard, but I can't move only single one. For that, let's convert into the fill. For that, I'll use a type and click on create outlines. And now by clicking here, right click and click on ungroup. Now I can move this letter and this letter freely. Now by selecting this letter, I will reduce its size so it can fit in right here. I'll select both of these and click on vertical align, just like that. Now we'll put it right here. Now by selecting this S on the above layer, I'll go to the object, click on path, and then click on offset path. I'll use the offset value to create the outlines, and this looks good. And yeah, this looks good. I will go with the 4 points and click on OK. And now by selecting all of these, I'll use the shape builder tool to cut out this part. And for the middle part, I will join this. And this one also. And this one as well. And now for this part, just select the middle one. Again, go to the object, click on path, offset path, and again use the same value that I used that before and click on OK. Now select both of these, select the shape builder tool and remove this part. And there you go, now you have made yourself a logo just by using text. I'll select all of this and click on group. And now let's use the gradient on that. I'll use the gradient tool to select the direction. I'll select this and make it small. Select the ellipse tool. I'll increase the stroke. And just like that. For that, I'll use the same font as this one. That was this one here. Now let's group this and center align it with our logo. Now by selecting this, go to your appearance panel. You can go to window and click on appearance. And now just by selecting your text, just click on this icon. From here, select the gradient. Use the gradient tool. Just like that. Now close this panel, create a new layer, put it behind it. I'll just hide this layer for a second and create a background. And there you go. Now you have made yourself a perfect logo design just by using text. If you have any question regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.